So of course I'm back with another glueless lace wig, one of the HD lace wigs by Bobbi Boss. This is one of their 13x7 lace frontal extended part wigs, and she's called MLF450 Harmony. I have her in the color TT2/BRSLV, so it's like brown silver. And I don't know what I thought this color was, but when I first saw it on the stock cut, I was like, oh my god, this is so pretty, really love this color. But I think I was just looking at the blend of the color and how it comes from like really dark to, well, not really dark, but darker to like brown into this light color, and I had no idea what the light color was. Like, I wasn't even paying attention to it. I just loved the blend, and when I got it I realized, oh, it's silver. Like, I didn't even notice, but nonetheless, I think it's still cute. I really love the color. I kind of wish that this part was a little bit more brown, like a little deeper brown, but nonetheless the color is still pretty cute. I love it. Now I reviewed 5 of those wigs before. Now if you've seen any of them before, then you know what's going on with this unit. If you haven't, I'll explain real quick, and then I'll go ahead and switch up the parting space on this one, because I haven't really been switching up the parting space so much on the others, so I'll definitely just switch it up on this one, so that way you'll see it, you know, in like different styles, I guess. Not styles, but with different parting space. But anyway, for those of you who don't know what the HD lace is about, the HD lace is designed to be a transparent lace. So I'll show you guys a clip right here of how it looked before I even added any powder or anything to it. That's it straight out the box. Well, I laid the baby hairs, but straight out the box how the lace looks. And after I added some powder, I'll still put a clip up again of how it looks after I add the powder to it. So it's a little bit of a difference. I think once I add the powder, it blended in a little bit better. But like I said, with some of the HD lace wigs, the lace looks different, because with some of them they look a little bit whiter, a little bit chalkier, and some of them look a little bit more transparent. I don't know if it's, I don't know guys, I really don't know. It's kind of confusing to me. I have to figure this out. But I think with the darker colored wigs, it looks a little bit more transparent. With the lighter color wigs, you can see more of it, like the chalky lace thing. I don't know, you guys. Let me know what you think down below, because I'm having some issues with that. Anyway, it is heat safe up to, doesn't say up to how much. I'm just so used to saying heat safe up to 400 degrees, because almost all the wigs, the synthetic wigs, are heat safe up to 400 degrees, but this one doesn't say how much, so let me not even go there. But let me get back into explaining what the this unit is about. It comes with a 13x7 lace frontal, so that means you can part it wherever you want. You can cornrow it, you can half up, half down, you can do a 2 high bun, 1 high bun, anything you want to do with this, because almost half of the wig is lace, okay? The other half is a stretchable mesh material where you have 2 combs up, like right there. You got one at the back, you have the adjustable straps, and you also have an adjustable elastic band that you can adjust so it can, you know, fit your head size really snug and really tight. And like I said, yeah, it has a stretchable cap, mesh cap, so it's extremely comfortable. It is big head friendly. Let me just read what the back of the stock card says. It says it's a 13x7 hand-tied lace, HD transparent lace, custom plucked natural hairline, flawless free parting freedom, baby hair for added realism. I said realistic. And the baby hairs you guys saw are pretty thick. You can thin it out as much as you want to. I thin it out a lot, and it's, you know, but it's really thick, but you can always thin it out. And flexible fit cap for secure comfort. I think I mentioned everything here, even the custom plucked hairline, natural hairline. This is what the hairline looks like. And you can tell the difference, because look, down here, this is why I didn't add any powder, but I added powder up here, and it blends in way, you know, a lot up here, so you can see the difference. But let me go ahead and just switch up the parting space for you guys. First, I'll give it a right side part. right side part, and that's the only reason why I don't really like switching up the parting space while I'm reviewing it, because all those little baby hairs that I use the most to like tuck in, it starts standing up. But this is it as a right side part. Really cute. Still love it. You can even part it a little bit deeper, and then I'll go ahead and give it a left side part. Guys, this is it as a left side part. Pretty cool as well. Like I said, you can always switch it up. You can, even if you decide to do like a little U part top knot. I'm the type of person, I don't really like to do much with my wigs, to be honest. I like to wear it down, and that's that. Either down or I put it like, pull it back. Why is it tangling right here? Either down or I just pull it back or something in like a ponytail, but that's pretty much all I do with my wigs. But it's not parted properly, but you can do like a top knot. And obviously there's lace back here as well, because like I said, more than half of the wig is lace, so it has this realistic look if you decide to put it in a top knot bun right here, or if you decide to do some cornrows at the front or cornrows to the side. Whatever you decide to do, it will look natural because the entire frontal is pre-plucked as well. Guys, so this is pretty much it for now. Like I said, I'll leave a link to this unit in the description box down below, just in case you want to purchase it. And this unit also comes with the VIVI.CHALK color, and like I said, not a lot of them comes with the VIVI.CHALK color, but this one comes with it. And let me show you at the back right here. This is a VIVI.CHALK color, and I think it's super cute in this style. It's really, really cute, this color. But I'll leave a list of all the colors that it comes in the description box down below, so you can check that out. And I'll leave a link, so in case you want to purchase, you can just click on the link. It will take you directly to this unit on the website. You can browse, or you can just pick your color and check out. You know, it's really up to you. But thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think about this unit. Let me know if you get this unit, or if you get any of the HD unit. Let me know what you think about it. And yeah, just let me know how you would wear it. How would you wear it? Would you just wear it regular, normal, down like me, or would you actually make use of it and do a lot of different styles? Let me know down below, and I'll see you guys in my next review. Bye.